What's going on, guys? YouTuber back with another video, and today we're opening up another beater box. This one again is from Direct Kicks, $570, so this is a much bigger beater box than before. Let's get into it. So I got this off Direct Kicks Twitch stream again. They do raffles on Fridays and Sundays, and so I got this box off the Friday raffle. These beater boxes again, all you have to do is just subscribe on Direct Kicks on Twitter. They'll show up a link when they go live, and you just join, and then hopefully you get lucky. You have to be subscribed to their Twitch channel, which is not much. It's like $6, but I mean your chances are pretty good in getting these boxes. And so I've been hitting on them a couple times. This is the second time I've won a box with one of their raffles. So the chances are pretty good. So I definitely recommend that you guys, if you're interested in getting beater boxes or just getting shoes in general, tune in, on Lou's channel and Direct Kicks. And, this is not a promotion or anything like that. But, I really enjoy doing this, and you get to meet a lot of cool people in the process too. So let's get into the box. Cool. So we got 5 boxes. Only one pair of shoes without a box. So I'll just start off. I can take them out. There we go. All right. So first pair of sneakers. We got a pair of Pumas. It says Pro Foam on here right there on the sole. I don't know what sneakers these are directly from the Puma line. I've had 1 or 2 pairs of Pumas, growing up. One for working out, and then I have a pair of the Puma Thunder Spectras, which I really like. But I never, Puma doesn't have a lot of hype stuff. I mean, they got, a classic, the Puma Clyde, and that's like one of their staple sneakers. But other than that, I don't know a lot of the lines other than the Clyde Thunder Spectras from their line, a lot of their other sneakers. But this one's Dreamville on the tongue. It says Clyde on the back over here. Definitely used, but it's like lightly used. This is probably a basketball shoe. You can see right there. Pretty clean, pretty simple. I really like the red on the back. And then it has this kind of like transparent, translucent sole, midsole right there. So this is a pretty, overall cool looking sneaker. I don't know how much it is. I'm gonna see if I can try to figure out a counter somewhere around here, so you guys know how much each pair might go for in the resale market. Again, that's the only shoe without a box. Going on to the next one. This is a Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 92, size 9.5. This is cool. Cool. So there it is. This is an interesting sneaker. Definitely has kind of that Air Max feel for sure, kind of in that back panel, and just like how the swoosh lays into this grading right here. Definitely reminds me of the Air Max 1. This is really interesting. Has zoom on the bottom. These are used again, lightly used, not bad for sure. So yeah, so these are Nike Zoom Pegasus in size 9.5. All right, going on to the next sneaker. Boom. These are, these are an Air Jordan 1 Retro Ultra High, size 8.5. Has kind of a purple Jumpman right there. That's pretty cool. Ooh, okay. Oh, these, okay. I think I know what these are. These are interesting. Whoa, here's that. This is from the Zoom collaboration. I actually had a pair of the Zoom, the Racer Blues I had, and I really liked that pair. Didn't look good on me, but I think that was a great pair now, and they're actually reselling a lot more now too, which is crazy to think. But this is interesting. I mean, it has that translucent sole, definitely been used a little. All these sneakers have been lightly used. It doesn't look like it has toe box creasing, which is pretty interesting. So this might be very close to dead stock. Yeah, that sole is really icy. You can see it right there. This has kind of like a felt top, patent leather. This is interesting. It doesn't have a tongue, but it's just kind of like a sock liner almost. So this is probably a little bit more for comfort. I know the Zoom collaborations definitely go on the more comfort side and like ergonomics for sneakers and whatnot. But I mean, this is kind of an interesting take on the Air Jordan 1. I'm not a crazy big fan of like this part right here. I don't know what this is called, but like this just feels like a little too flimsy for my liking, a little too thin on the material. But you know, this is a pretty interesting black silhouette. Not 100% all there with this sneaker, but I do like the air cushioning zoom technology that they use in here is really comfortable. But yeah, but there it is. So these are, you know, Air Jordan 1 zooms, all black, and yeah, these are pretty cool. Okay, size 8.5. All right, and so we got 2 boxes left. I'm actually pretty excited. All right, so we have an off-white box. I've never actually got to hold a pair of off-white before. So I'm really excited to see. This is not a super hype pair, but it's still off-white nonetheless. All right, I mean, you guys can probably see it from right there. It's a size 10. Oh, this is actually my size too. Zoomfly off-white pink, the Nike Zoomfly. And boom. Oh, cool. So these are definitely used. But there we go. So I know a lot of people have mixed feelings about this sneaker. And I think it comes in like 2 other colorways. But people always have like mixed feelings about this colorway in particular, just because it's such a hot pink. It's a very loud shoe in terms of its coloring, and it has these laces. I don't know if it has laces. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. It has a second set of laces. I don't know if it came with 2 or 3, but at least it comes with different type of laces. So it has this pink. It still has a zip tie, which is nice. I know that's an important thing. You can still see the off-white symbol on the bottom. I mean, this is overall pretty clean. Definitely used. You can see like how the foam is wrinkled along the sole just from people using it. But this is good. This is really cool. Like I've seen a couple on people's feet. I just never got to hold one in my hand. So this is kind of like a special moment for me right here. Little giddy, little hype boy in me. But this is awesome. This is cool. You know, from the off-white collabs, this wouldn't be my first pick, but I had to choose. A while ago, I really wanted the off-white Prestos in the black. I thought those were like the best, and I think they're still the best. So if I really had to choose, I'd probably go for those. But nonetheless, I mean, they're all pretty hard to come by, especially from the original 10-pack. So yeah, so there it is. Off-white Zoomfly in that hot pink color. That swoosh right there. Alright, so here is the final, and this, I think this is like the real money shoe. Oh, this box is like collapsed. Holy crap. This is definitely old. Alright, if you can see what it says there, it's an Air Foamposite, size 12. This is a white box. Boom. And there you go. This is Air Foamposite. I think they're called the Spider-Man. And are these dead stock? No, they're not dead stock. But I mean, they look pretty darn good. And the color blocking on this is like really intense. This is like a really clean shoe. Holy crap. This is pretty cool though, no lie. I've never been into Foamposite, and I was never like, I didn't know about Foamposites during like the craze, you know, when the first Foamposite came out with the Penny Hardaway. But yeah. Soles are pretty clean. I know a lot of Foamposites have like translucent soles, but this one doesn't. This is more like just kind of a matte finish. You know, no creasing, no scuffings, no dents, no nothing. I mean, the box is pretty beat up. It'll drop the value a little bit, but other than that, I mean, this sneaker is pretty cool. This was like the sneaker in this box that was like the money shoe. I don't know how much it really fetches on the resale market, but I do know it's a pretty high pair. But yeah, I don't know what's the total of all these gonna be for the box, but I mean, I'll have a counter somewhere. So there you guys have it. That was an unboxing. Again, that was from Direct Kicks. Definitely, you know, if you want to try to get these boxes, follow them on Twitter so you can get the Twitch link so you can follow and maybe try to get your own pair of sneakers or a beater box for sure. If you guys are interested in purchasing the sneakers that you saw here, I do have an eBay page. I'll link it in the description below. That's where I post all my sneakers and, you know, where I do mostly my reselling. Ironically enough, like I did make a video about, you know, getting fakes off of eBay and things like that, but I think I'll make a video on how to tell like a good reseller on eBay versus a bad reseller on eBay. So that way you guys don't get duped into getting fake sneakers as well. But there you have it. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, let me know what you didn't like about this video. And as always, I'm just another shoe tuber.